Hi dear children, this is your GK man and welcome to the GK class. So how are you cuties? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you close your eyes and pray. Asato ma sadgamaya Damaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityoma amridam kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you open your eyes. Shall we go to a topic? Our topic name is different professions. So professions means that any type of work that needs special training or a particular skill that is respected because it involves a high level of education. In today's world, there are many options are there. One can choose their career. So in the last session, we have seen about the teacher, doctor, police officer, firefighter and farmer. So this class we will go to see about some other professionals and what they tell about their profession. So the first profession, actor and actress. Let's see what they tell about their profession. They tell, you can see me actor on television or movie screens. I act, sing and dance to entertain you. I can make you cry, laugh and angry with my acting skills. So actors are well trained in their acting field and we are very excited to see them in a TV or a movie screen. And they are entertainers by their acting skills. They get many awards for their good acting. So the next profession, astronaut. Let's see what the astronaut tell about their profession. So they say, I am specially trained to travel into the outer space. I wear a special suit called a space suit which protects me. So the astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into the outer space. Astronaut conduct experiment and gather the information while in space flight and send the information to the earth. So the example for the astronaut is in our country, Kalpana Chawla and Neil Armstrong. So the next person, chef. Chef tells, I love to cook. I prepare food for others in a restaurant. People pay money to eat the delicious food which I prepare. So chefs works in kitchen of restaurant, hotel and many ships. They create many different food items like continental food, seafood, etc. with a creative idea. And they are very creative persons too. So the next one is bakers. Let's see what the baker tell about the profession. I bake bread, cakes, cookies and muffins. I also make different items such as puffs, samosas, pastries, etc. My store always smell fresh. So bakers are responsible for making baked food. The teamwork and good communication are essential in baking job. So the bakers are methodical. They create very tasty items like cookies, puffs, bread and cakes. And we are very excited and interested to eat the baked food items. So the next person, photographer. So photographer says, I am present at all your important events. I capture memory into a beautiful album. So photographer is very creative persons and they are the main person in any functions like marriage, school functions, birthday parties, etc. In this there are many varieties are there like landscape photography, event photography, food photography and wildlife photography. And they are very trained in the photography professions. So dears, in this class we have seen about actor, actress, astronaut, chef, baker and photographer. We will see some other professionals and their profession in the next class. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you.